Do you want to stop receiving the Windows 10 end of service notification? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft has declared the date for the end of service for Windows 10 on October 14, 2025. Those who are still on Windows should have already or may receive constant notifications prompting them to upgrade. In this video, we will show you how you can stop the Windows 10 end of service notification from your PC. Let's get started. Method 1. Modify the Windows registry. A simple way to stop these notifications is by creating a new registry entry. Here is how to do that. Open the registry editor by pressing Win+R, typing regedit and pressing enter. Navigate to the following path: hk_local_machines/software/Windows/Windows-update/notify. If the notify key doesn't exist, create it manually. Inside this key, create a dword value named discontinue EOS. Set its value to 1. Close the registry editor and restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Method 2. Disable scheduled tasks. Windows uses scheduled tasks to trigger end-of-service notifications. You can disable them following the method shown here. Press Windows + S, then type Task Scheduler and open the Task Scheduler. Navigate to Task Scheduler library, then select Microsoft, then Windows, then Setup. Locate and disable the following tasks: EOSNotify, EOSNotify 2, OBUpdater. Restart your system to apply these changes. Method 3. Use PowerShell to block notification services. For users comfortable with PowerShell, you can block notification-related services with a script. Here is how to do so. Open PowerShell as administrator. Then disable the EOSNotify tasks. Get-ScheduledTask-TaskName EOSNotify Disable-ScheduledTask. Run this command to disable GWX or Get Windows 10 and related notification services. Get-ScheduledTask-TaskName GWX Disable-ScheduledTask. These methods can help you prevent Windows 10 from displaying end-of-service notifications. However, it is recommended to either take the Windows 10 extension, which Microsoft will offer, or upgrade to the next version of Windows to receive updates and security patches. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.